Outspoken Citizens Coalition for Change, CCC, activist, Godfrey Karambura, has been granted ZW$10,000 bail by Harare magistrate Bob Ramatko. Karambura, popularly known as MadziBaba of VeShanduko, got in trouble for wearing CCC regalia while in Harare city center. He is being charged of insulting police officers. Prosecutor Anesu Kairanj had challenged bail, arguing that Karambura was likely to reoffend if granted bail. Kairanj said 5 police officers are lined up to testify against the activist, as such he is a flight risk. But the magistrate said a suspect remains innocent until convicted, as such should be granted bail. He was represented by his lawyer Douglas Coulthart. Karambura was allegedly brutally assaulted by police officers when he was arrested last Thursday. He was remanded in hospital due to injuries he sustained. Police spokesman Paul Nyati accused him of trying to deface the Mbuya Nehanda statue. The charge was, however, not included in court papers. However, prosecutors allege Karambura was difficult to arrest and scuffled with police officers, resulting in him sustaining injuries.